Hey guys.
We're staying in the Travelodge at Eureka Park in Ashford.
We are.
It's dog friendly and we thought we'd show you around.
Absolutely, yeah, room 7.
Yes.
Let's go for it.
So there's a big long mirror behind me there, let me show you. Hello. And then this is the entrance. It's quite a big room actually.
It really is. The fan's already on, what's amazing.
No aircon in here, so.
Big work desk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bottle opener right there.
Nice.
Okay, we've got a kettle. How's the kettle looking on the inside?
Yes, it's alright.
They do have USB chargers though.
That's good,
Yeah.
yes. Got some milks, the cup's not
The cleanest.
overly clean. Might clean them again. Yeah.
Yeah. Another great big mirror.
Nice.
A chair for your work.
Yep.
And a bin down there as well. No fridge in here, by the way.
No. It's only for one night. That's
Yeah.
okay.
We've dumped our luggage here and in the cubbies.
Yep.
That's our luggage. There's 2 spare pillows up there. Some hangers.
Nice. We got a view of the retail park. Windows already open.
It's because it's warm in here.
Yeah. Louis doing the bed test.
And how is it?
He's happy with it.
Yeah?
Do it. Yeah. Not bad. What do you think?
We've got towels and things there
Yep.
as well, which is neat. A chair, and look, here you've got USB chargers and a little light.
Another USB,
Oh.
USB-C here as well. That's amazing.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely artwork.
Yeah. Light both sides, little cubby for both sides, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Good for phones as well.
Now into the bathroom.
Got a menu if we're eating here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, standard sink.
Shower curtain.
Yeah. But it's fair, it's clean.
Yeah.
What you need for one night?
Is it? Don't understand that.
What?
Square loo with a
Oh yeah.
round
Yeah.
seat, but okay. And then hair and body wash.
Yeah. It's clean.
It does look nice and clean actually, considering.
Yeah. Not bad for one night.
Yeah.
Obviously we'll let you know
How it goes.
How it goes for tonight, yeah. But first impressions, it's okay for one night.
Yeah, I don't think we'll get too much noise here either.
No, we're off the road a bit.
Off the road, yeah. So, oh, there's a tiny doggy. Yeah, we'll let you know.
Nice.
Okay, it's dark and it's early.
It's 3:30 in the morning, yes.
Yeah. The room is fine.
It was very hot last night. Very, very, very hot. But yeah, it done what it needed to do. It was clean, it was comfortable, it's all it needed to do, really.
It wasn't super clean.
It's what you would expect from a Travelodge, yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah, we've stayed in nicer
Yeah,
Travelodges,
I think
actually.
it's going to get used to a lot of people work in a lot of vans in the car park and that.
It just needs refreshing.
Yeah.
The bed was fairly comfy. The shower was fine.
The shower was lovely, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the amount of sleep we've had here isn't really Travelodge's fault. So
No, we knew that. It was just a location, like I said yesterday. You know what? It's what you would expect it to be.
yeah, it did its job.
Yeah, absolutely.
We hope this was helpful. If you do choose to stay here, let us know what you think. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.